Using live inbound answering ensures the highest percentage of calls get answered and helps avoid missing any more job opportunities.
Good morning, it's a great day at BioClean. My name is Derek. How can I help you today?
Hello, Blake's Carpet Cleaning. Sorry, I can't hear you. I'll call you back.
All right, so did you want any fabric protector with this as well?
Let me see here.
Just 1 second. Hello, Blake's Carpet Cleaning. How can I help you? I can't hear you right now.
All calls will be answered by industry-trained, top-notch customer service representatives who will upgrade your job tickets, not just upsell them.
Well, Mary, allow me to recommend it, especially since you are under warranty. Anytime you have a spill, it will beat up for you to wipe away with ease. Do you want to add that today? My pleasure.
All right, sir. So that's going to be $120. Is that going to be, well, see, you're going to be paying with your card. So it looks like for some reason, it's not going through for some reason.
I don't know why. I have plenty of money in there. Don't you have an office or somewhere I can call and make the payment there?
No. Do you have any cash by chance, or another method of payment?
Live inbound answering will help effectively project the image you want for your business. Ask how our 3-day training program can help your staff learn to turn all of your calls into booked jobs. Use RLMA Services Jobs Not Leads program to boost your revenue and your bottom line. Choose your EDDM template from the following: carpet cleaning services, tile and grout cleaning services, disinfecting and sanitizing services, pet odor removal services, upholstery cleaning services. The residential marketing program does include flyers for air duct cleaning, mattress cleaning, area rug cleaning, pet brochures, carpet and fabric protector brochures, flyers for tile and grout cleaning, upholstery cleaning. There is a residential quote sheet, a residential carpet cleaning brochure, referral forms, customer prep sheets, carpet cleaning packages for your customers to choose from. There's even basic carpet and upholstery care inserts just to educate and clean your customers.